let's review this. So I haven't reviewed this either. Had it underneath my little snack thing here, where I keep some of my snacks. So this is a special edition TASTYKAKE glazed caramel apple pie. So bought this at Walmart, I think, or might have been Dollar General. I don't know, but I bought it at either two. I don't remember which store I bought this at, but let's try this. So it looks like it's all torn apart or whatever. Or all, yeah, it doesn't look like it's. Looks like it's all crumbled up. Anyway, let's try this, because I should have tried this like a while back, but forgot to. That's actually really good. Kind of tastes like a bakery apple pie. I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Peace.